Einstein created a time travel theory with no position, coordinates believing in time travel. You don't need to know where you are going to visit at in the past or the future. Traveling faster than light, you travel into the future. In a space you don't age, your body mechanisms slow down to zero. To travel into the vast, you have to travel at the speed of light straight forwards, strictly at light speed. You travel long enough, you travel into the past. But still, where to and when? The ship is his key component. The ship does the work. But in 1925, Erwin Hupke discovered universe expansion. The universe no longer had a speed limit. In fact, the universe was expanding faster than light. What does this do to Einstein's time travel? Sometimes things are maintained in physics that simply aren't true. They are called Hawk. I think this is one of them. Another is about gravity. Gravity has no real explanation, yet physicists won't agree that gravity is a massless void particle. Einstein asserted gravity was a geodesic curvature of space, meaning the planet Earth curved the space, and free fall was the straightest path in falling back to Earth. Again, expanse laid the framework for not only expanding space, but straightening the Einstein infinite acceleration gravity wells. It is space expansion that makes the planet's orbit in an almost but close straightened alignment from our sun. Einstein also developed more insight to other experimental and through experiments. Light curves. It follows the dips and curves of the space grid surface. It also is an entity that the space grid light us coupled to it that allows light to travel faster than kite with the grid expanse which us faster than light. It's like a boat traveling in a river. The river coordinates the boat's speed because the river is traveling faster than the boat can using its motors, so it travels faster. Same with light communication signals. Coupled to the grid, as Einstein showed in Space Curve, light travels with the speed of the grid it is coupled to, so we discover physics is changing, and how physics doesn't tell the whole story, but if it fits, it's good. These are just some of the tell stories in physics Rodney Kawecki has researched and can be found in his books he has published. Einstein's infinite mass limitation is based on the ability to travel light speed at a time when such thoughts were impossible, but physics tell that side of the story. Post log in Open App, Physics and History at Phys in History. Nikola Tesla on Einstein's theory of relativity. I hold that space cannot be curved, for the simple reason that it can have no properties. It might as well be said that God has properties. He has not, but only attributes, and these are of our own making. Of properties we can only speak when dealing with matter filling the space. To say that in the presence of large bodies space becomes curved is equivalent to stating that something can act upon nothing. I, for one, refuse to subscribe to such a view. Physics in History on X. Nikola Tesla on Einstein's theory of relativity. I hold that space cannot be curved for the simple reason that it can have no properties. It might as well be said that God has properties. He has not, but only attributes, and these are of our own making.